Welcome back to KiddyU. Joseph has said yes to God's plan. Now they have to go on a very long trip to a place called Bethlehem. It looks like a busy morning and it is time to pack. Joseph and Mary are packing a bag. A donkey is waiting to help carry Mary on this long walk.
Do we have everything we need? It is a long walk, but we can do it.
Yes, I think we do.
They walked and walked. Clip, clop went the donkey. The road was dusty and long. Sometimes when a job is hard, we have to use persistence. That means we keep going, even when we are tired. While we learn about Joseph and Mary, we can still have some fun. Walk starts with the letter W, just like water. Can you make the W sound? Woo. Let's do the W walk. March your feet.
Wuh-wuh-WALK. We keep going. Wuh-wuh-WALK. We keep going.
Let's get back to Mary and Joseph to see how far they walk. They look very tired. But did they stop? No. They drank some water. W is for water, and they kept walking. They had persistence.
We are almost there, Joseph. I can be brave.
Oh yes, Mary. You are strong too. We had to make this trip. We must register to pay taxes.
Where is JJ and Vivi now? Oh, they are at the park playing with blocks. When our blocks fall down, do we cry? No, we use persistence. We try again. Can you say persistence?
Persistence. We never give up. Persistence. We never give up.
I wonder, where are Joseph and Mary now? Oh, look, they made it. They used their strong legs and brave hearts, and they made it to Bethlehem. It looks very crowded. But where will they sleep?
We are so glad you ask. Then, like and subscribe to KiddyU. See you next time to find out where Joseph and Mary are going to sleep.